Alrighty folks, so Alex here from Hannemann Ironworks, and today, well actually last night, which was it Thursday, Daniel Crawford over at Dragonstone Gem and Ironworks, I think that's right, released a video, and he's planning on making a tree to hang leaves off of. Now I've actually thought about doing that, and I've collected a few leaves, mostly I've collected one leaf, and I never got around to doing it. But I would like to contribute to his project, and he's asking a bunch of makers in the blacksmithing family and community to make a leaf. So that's what I'm going to do. But before I just jump into that, I'd like to share a few things. Alright guys, so quick little interjection here. I got some mail from Joe at Soggy Bottom Forge. I got 2 stickers in. Thank you, Joe. I got it up on the board. Also, what I was saying earlier, Randy at Newt's Leather Metal Smithy and Atlas Tool, which is, he made this thing. But thank you, Joe. Just got the sticker in. Also, he made that for me in one of his giveaways. So, thank you very much, Joe. Got the letter, and it's right there. It's still up there. And glad you like seeing it. So, thank you for making it, and get on with the video. Thanks, guys. Bye. Up here, I know I haven't shown it, but I did get a sticker from Randy over at Newt's Leather Metal Smithy, and it's up here on the board. I also got a sticker from Atlas Knife and Tool. Randy works for him, Charles, and so I got a sticker there. So I got 2 more stickers on the board since you guys seen. If you guys do have stickers, I'd love them. Send them to. I'd love for you guys to send them to me. I'll send stickers back to you. I know a few guys have stickers that I haven't gotten. Shamrock Forge, First Degree Forge, Speargrass Forge. A couple of you guys got stickers, and if you guys would like to send them to me or do a sticker trade, let me know. But also, I do have this hammer for sale. It's 45 Rockwell, 14.5-inch long handle, hung on a hickory handle. This wood was provided by JT Barrett. Thank you, JT. I did carve it down. But it's 2 3/4 pounds, touch mark, and an 05 for the 5th hammer I've made. So if you like this hammer, let me know. Shoot me an email. My email will be down below. $130, continental U.S. shipping included. So if you guys are outside of that, I'd have to talk to you on it. But anyway, it's up for sale. So let me know. Alright, now let's get into the forging of this leaf. Also, yes, I'm freezing out here. It's like 50 degrees. It's getting cold. And it's nice. Soon I'll be wearing a sweatshirt. So, look out for that. Alright, so I'm going to attempt to do is make a Viburnum leaf. Now, it's just something different, something that stands out in the tree. Not just a standard leaf, but it's defined by its main breakaway here. And then it's got 2 almost smallies coming out of it. And then this top piece actually is over-exaggerated, but it's got little notches it cut into it, and spines that come off, and ones that come off that. So it's going to be tempting to do. If it doesn't come out, it doesn't come out. But let me try that. Alright guys, so I got the Viburnum Leaf done. At least my best attempt at it. It was a little tricky, but I did manage to do it. I wish I'd been able to split these with a chisel to make it, I feel like it would have been more realistic if I was able to split it with a chisel. But when I tried, it was just bending out of the way and flopping around because it was just so thin a material. So it didn't work out quite perfectly the way I envisioned it. But hey, I did it with an angle grinder, and I'd say it looks pretty good. So there we have it, the Viburnum Leaf. Now this will be going down to, I believe Daniel Crawford is actually making it, so I'll be sending this to him. I don't have your address, so I'll have to get it from you, but I know JT Barrett and Randy Mills and a bunch of other guys are helping work on it. And the smoke behind me, I actually just burnt up like the wet rag of wax and then oil. And so it's just in a little can back there, and it's cooking. It shoots out the window. So don't worry about that smoke. My shop is not burning down. My propane forge is also shutting off. That's the noise. But anyway, here it is. And the hammer worked great. I just wanted to give it a test run just to make sure it didn't blow apart or anything. It wasn't too soft. I figured about 45 Rockwell. Around that blue range was about perfect for hammer. That's what I do with my other one, but I just wanted to double check that this hammer worked great. So it does. I don't recommend striking hard tools, but you know, if you're striking, just a striking tool works great. I did that for the chisel, and I apologize, it did cut out. My phone actually died, and it's about to die again too. But here it is. Thank you guys for watching. If you're interested in the hammer, just shoot me an email. Email will be down below. Alright, thanks for watching. Catch you guys later. Bye.